We are going to win both the seats, and people of India, Goa decided to vote out the corrupt government of Pramod Sawant, and the day the parliament election is over, the Goa government will also go.
But where are the candidates, sir?
Whenever right time is there,
What is the right time?
whenever election is announced, whenever date of poll is announced, before that we will have a...
Don't you want to give a chance to voters to decide whether this is the candidate?
Congress, Panja is the thing. Congress, Panja is the thing which on hand symbol we vote, on our leadership, Rahul Gandhi's leadership we ask. Okay? We have a program, we will give a guarantee for people. People believes in the guarantee, they will vote, and we are very clear that like Karnataka, the way we won in Himachal, the way we are winning in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh and Telangana, we will win.
So you are so confident that the day we win both the seats in Goa, the government will go? So much confident?
After the parliament election, you write it that after the parliament, when the BJP government in Delhi goes, Pramod Sawant government will also go, because this is a government which is bought over money and with pressure through the agencies. But this will fall like with a pack of cards, it will fall.